All right, so the next set of questions are conceptual based questions and definition based questions. Let's just take a look. So 49, we reject a null hypothesis when, that's going to be when our p-value is less than alpha. Yeah, that's just something you should know. So when your p-value is less than alpha, we reject. 50. So is this true for a continuous distribution? The answer here is yes, it is true. Definition-based question, you should just know that. If that's something that you don't know, put it on your cheat sheet. 51, 1 minus alpha. What is it called in context of statistical inference? You should know this. It's going to be your confidence level. Definition-based question. All right. 52. What is the distribution of the test statistic for the hypothesis when the population mean when the population standard deviation is unknown? Meaning we have sample standard deviation. So this is a chapter 9 conceptual problem. And if you remember, when we have sample standard deviation, in other words, when population standard deviation is unknown, our degrees of freedom is n minus 1. So it's going to be a t distribution. So it's also a t distribution. So t distribution whenever our population standard deviation is unknown, meaning we have sample standard deviation. So when we have sample standard deviation, it's a t distribution, and our degrees of freedom is calculated by n minus 1. So okay. When we need to use the Chebyshev theorem for problem solving. So when do we need to use it? That's what it's asking. And this is a definition-based question. It's going to be B. To predict the percentage of observations that are within some standard deviation of the mean.